Hello everyone, welcome to the sales order tutorial. In this quick little guide, we're going to walk through how to create a sales order in your Xoro system. So first thing you're going to do is basically go to your sales order page. So, here. And basically you'll select your customer. That's the first thing you want to do. And what you can do is select your sale and ship store. In most scenarios, these are basically going to be the same stores, but your sales store is basically where the sale is recorded from. And so when this order gets invoiced, that's where the sale is recorded from. Your ship store is basically where the inventory is going to get fulfilled out of. So typically, again, it's going to be the same, but just make sure you select that. Your project or class is whether you have wholesale orders, online orders, or anything like that. Next thing you want to do is select your order date, your ship date. So for example, let me select the ship date. Let me put in a cancel date here. And let me use the advanced variant finder, which is basically the matrix finder, to add some of my SKUs. So I'm going to click here. I'm basically going to select my style here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select here. Basically just do this. And I'm going to use the tab key to tab across and add the SKUs. And once I'm done with a row, I'm just going to hit enter, the enter key, and then I can just go add to the order. And I can continue doing that with the advanced variant finder for additional SKUs. If I go to the shipping tab, I can fill in some of the shipping information. So what I can actually do is if it's third-party shipping, I can just select this. It'll automatically fetch the carrier, the ship service. You can estimate a shipping amount here as well. You can go to the other tab, add some tags if you wanted to. So I could add maybe rush or something like that. You can add additional tags as well. What else you can do is if you go to the customer portal, you can actually put a required advance payment amount. So let's say I require this customer to have an advance payment of 50%. I can do that. This is actually used when you send a deposit link. This is actually the amount that that the email will ask them to pay. Once everything looks okay, just hit save, click OK, and your order has been created.